Well, today I feel like I accomplished a lot. Here's why. I managed to fix this iPhone, but I would say definitely for a first time that's not too bad. But this is actually a phone from this, which is I got from my friend. So it's kind of interesting. A blind kid managed to handle a very tiny small screw, but it takes some frustration for sure. But the first iPhone that I ever tried to replace the screen was an iPhone S. No, it was iPhone 5C, the pink version of it. Well, I almost finished until the part that, like, soon as I finished it, but I saw the top have a gap. Well, I didn't have the section tool, so I decided to pull it open anyway. Well, guess what? The ribbon broke. So that means that went to trash. So I was so ticked off. But that was it was a iPhone SE. But if I fixed it, man, if I had the right tool like I had it today, that phone would have been saved. But I think I don't remember what I did with that phone, but maybe I got rid of it. But yeah, this is another. I guess a second attempt, but it's different model, but not too far. This is the iPhone 6, and the screen is third party. I got it from the local shop. I don't really want to manage their name just because I don't feel like it's adequate for the price, but hey, they gotta make their money somehow. So, but I got this tool from iFixed. So if iFixed want to sponsor this channel in the near future, that'd be great. But I don't see any reason to. So, but those definitely comes along handy. So this one is not iFixed. This one is from my friend. I lost a bit right here. I lost it's supposed to be a 3, but I lost it, one of it. But the second one is here. But I was quite proud of myself for being able to accomplish something that I never thought would ever, because the screw is so tiny. I just don't know how. But it definitely, after you kind of get into the, like, figured out some kind of situation how you're gonna do it, you kind of know. But I would say the hardest part still to put those screen plate back on, because that's why they're still screwed, because boy Daniel can't figure out how to put that down screw. But again, Apple doesn't want you to do such thing. That's why they made it now impossible to repair. So I mean, hopefully iPhone 6 S or 7 still around, because I think those are the last couple model that you can actually do stupid repair to it without, heat up the glass or, buy a completely new phone. And I found Apple, that's what Apple good is, to be very strict in what they do, because especially when it's come like a lot of things that Apple does, like for example, I forgot my iCloud password on this phone, trying to reset it. Well, guess what? For you to turn off the Find My iPhone on this device, you got to know your Apple ID. Well, if you don't know it, it is impossible to do it. So, and hence that Apple want to be restricted and want you to keep buying their product. But I think that's best strategy. But hey, I'm not a businessman, so I'm just a man that from the ghettos, and just just normal people that doesn't know what the heck they're talking about. But again, I'm quite proud of myself. After 2 years, I finally be able to do something useful. But this screen is definitely third party. And let me see, the hardest part also I forgot to mention is I made a mistake on the on the top part. Do you see there's yellow text, like discoloration? You might not be able to see it through the camera. Apparently not. It's just so thin. So, but everything else works, even the camera, which is very shocked. I hasn't tested the speaker yet because obviously you can see it says no SIM. So yeah, I can't test the speaker unless I use an iMessage or FaceTime, but of course this is currently deactivated with iMessage. And so, well, the iMessage is turned off because the iCloud, I can't sign in. Actually, that's not true. I can sign in mine. So, yeah. Anyway, I use a piece of white paper to help me to see the screw because otherwise you ain't gonna find it anytime soon. So, alright, that's just a quick video of I'm proud of myself to be able to accomplish something that I thought I never did. Definitely quite proud. So, alright, enough talking. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!